Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.
Please don't write Kunal, Akshita, Rathore. You have joined late, I think so. That's the reason you haven't got it. Sabko to mili na? So let's start. Otherwise, download any image from the for the background from online. Okay. So let's start with our class. See, you can go and write down Indian flag background banner. So choose any one of these. This one, right? Anyone. If you're not getting the image, choose any one of these banners. Okay. Fine. So where were we? We were trying to create something like this. Fine. So try to be on time. I keep on admitting people then. Okay. So these are our list elements, right? These are our list elements. And this Incredible India was H1. See, so when we set up this thing, body, style is equal to background image, URL, in parentheses, we will write down banner.jpg or whatever image name you have taken, right? Mine was banner. Okay. Opacity is 0.9. Why we are putting this, that I'll tell you later. Abhi isko likh lo bas. Background size cover. Why we are saying cover? Because we want it all over the screen. Fine. It is coming all over the screen. And background repeat, no repeat. No repeat. Why no repeat? Because if your size of image is small, what will happen if you don't put this thing, this property, it will repeat the image on the screen, on the background, which we actually don't want. Clear hai ye? Okay, theek hai. So we will close this over here. Ye body hamara anchor body tag, opening tag hai, jisme humne we have put the styling part. Now we will open the header. So header, then section, middle section, and then footer. This is the actual pattern which goes. So header open karte hain, and in header I am saying center, because we want the center portion is there. Center, in center I am writing H1 Incredible India. Okay, so this is the reason it is coming in the center. Incredible India mein H1 mein I haven't done anything which says that move it to the center. Alignment nahi lagaya hai. Still it is coming in the center because of this center tag. ठीक है? Now again something was coming like this. So that is marquee. You all know, you guys are smart enough. तो marquee करेंगे. Marquee के अंदर we write down explore the best destination to visit in India. And then marquee closed. Okay. This much we had done earlier also. Previous class में किया था ना? हाँ, चलो next go ahead. Now H2 is font family Lucida console. Take this one only. Reason being this font looks good. जो मैं list बना रही हूँ, if I take another font, तो ये कुछ change आएगा. ये जो format दिख रहा है ना, this home popular destination, it looks good with this code, this particular font family. तो इसको लिखने के लिए I have taken H2. and in H2 I am creating my list. तो H2 के अंदर लिस्ट आएगी तो मतलब H2 की प्रॉपर्टीज आ जाएंगी उसके अंदर, राइट? So whatever font I have taken, it will choose that, and whatever the size for H2 is, तो वो size आ जाएगा. तो I don't need to say font size. Clear है ये? Right? Now, please come on time, बच्चा. I keep on admitting ना, time जाता है, waste होता है. हम बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं ना उस time में, right? चलो, okay. So where were we? यहाँ पे थे. Now I'm saying style is 10 padding 10 px because I want it little far away. So UL जब start होगा उसका styling में I have given the padding part of it. Padding हम समझ चुके हैं पहले क्या होता था, तो that I have given over here, style padding 10 px. And then I am saying list. So हमने ये पहले भी पढ़ा था, this is unordered list, तो इसीलिए हमने UL लिया है. I am not concerned with numbers because मैं उनको order में दे रही हूँ, that's sufficient for me. Now li style is equal to display inline block. Because of this display inline block, what is happening is it gives, last time we checked out when we say display none, so list was disappearing, right? So we have 3 fonts. Last time also we discussed inline block, block, or inline, and one more is there, that is none, right? So when we do none generally कब करते हैं? When we are trying to make a responsive website which can be adjusted to our phone as well as to our desktop. Right now we are concerned with desktop only, so we'll be going for that only. तो अभी none को as such just keep in mind, we don't need it actually here. ठीक है? And then once I have styled my li, this is styling of my li. Every list element need to be styled if you want it to be different. Otherwise it will take its default properties. Okay? Now we want to give this thing. What it is? A tag for what? For providing up the links, right? A tag is for links. We have studied that. Now in this case, I have given it lesson 7, but you have to give it over here name as index.html. Index, because when your browser starts now to load your file, it searches for the main file, and that the name of the main file is index. It always search for index.html file. Okay? Once we are done with this thing, index.html, so that since it is a link, it is a name of the file which we are putting, or we can put link as well. We'll see that link also. हमने last time रखा था ना? Okay. Now the text that we want to appear on the screen, the home. So we'll put that home. Okay, home, and we'll close this A tag. Fine. And in this, I want this 2 parallel lines. How we'll write these 2 parallel lines? Click on Shift and a key above Enter. Horizontal, vertical lines दिखती हैं, right? All of you found that? Show me your thumbs up if you got it. Okay, cool enough. So we'll close this li then. Okay. Once you do this much, what will happen? This kind of thing will appear. Ab dekho, with A tag, there is a thing that always it takes the color as blue. यहाँ पे भी bluish color ही आ रहा है. We can change that too. But as of now, because we have to create so many things, we are restricting ourselves to few things so that we can gobble that much. ठीक है? तो home आ गया, and then this and all these tags, they come with underline. जब हम link provide करते हैं, it always comes with underline. We can style it using CSS and can remove it. Okay? Most of the websites, those professional websites, you don't find that bar. Underline नहीं रहता है ना ज़्यादातर. So we can remove that using styling. Now, popular destination, spiritual capital, heritage site, serene beaches. All these are our elements of li. बच्चा लोग please be on time. 13 minutes हो चुके हैं ना, फिर then you ask for a file and all, है ना? Rework बढ़ता है इससे. and we get a little short of time for whatever we want to complete. Okay? Okay, so abhi hum kya karenge? Let's go back to our code and check. So what you have to do, you have an option of copying this and pasting it 5 times. Okay? Our target is to complete at least 3 of the pages. ये मैंने कर दिया था just for sake of completion, that 5 I have put, because India is a vast country, you cannot just complete it in 5. We can have thousands of it. Huh? So just copy it 5 times. Once you have copied, let me know.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutor and avail your courses at affordable prices.